Professoressa Becchini. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here with you. And now I want to illustrate the results of the many objectives of the project ITOP. And we developed some toolkits for the surveillance of infectious diseases and also for the monitoring of vaccination coverage. But one of the objectives was to increase awareness about vaccination in the population. So, I will present the many objectives, because in public health it is important also to have acceptability about vaccination by the population. So in this part of the project we propose version 2.0 of one web page, which is called Find My Vaccine. In Italiano, Trova il mio vaccino. This is a digital tool based on the previous National Immunization Program, which was released in 2017. And in this project, the website was updated according to the new National Immunization Plan. Find My Vaccine is a digital tool which involved citizens but also public health providers, and with the aims to make it quickly accessible the information included in the National Immunization Plan, and so to make available to all people. The validation phase was performed in September and is still ongoing, and it is performed by specialists in public health at national level. The results of the first years before the update will be presented at the National Congress in October in Palermo, a National Congress of the Italian Society of Hygiene. A second point was to activate vaccination pathway inside the hospitals, and in particular with the collaboration of the main hospital here in Florence, the pediatric one, Meyer, and Careggi Hospital, two different vaccination pathways were activated in order to give people with the particular high-risk group, such as HIV-infected adult patients or subject with anatomical and functional asplenia, to access in a quick and easy way vaccination, which are very, very important for this kind of patients. Another point was to activate vaccination offer for pregnant women, and in this case the elaboration of the protocol has been completed, but the implementation is not really performed now at Careggi University Hospital. But the rationale is opening a vaccination center inside the hospital in order to increase vaccination coverage, which is very important for pregnant women, vaccination against pertussis, and vaccination against influenza in particular. We can go to the extensive molecular analysis which are performed by the Laboratory of Immunology and Molecular Microbiology at Pediatric University Meyer Hospital, and in particular the implementation of the regional pediatric network can increase the epidemiology and the knowledge about the circulation of some bacterial and virus which are involved in the health of pediatric people. So Another important point is the implementation of molecular surveillance databases, and especially for vaccine-preventable invasive diseases, and the assessment of the effectiveness of vaccination and potential vaccine escape processes. Another point is the study and cost-effectiveness study for preventable diseases, which is important in order to add new vaccinations even in the national immunization plan. As the last point I want to show is the development of a web application which can be accessible via computer or mobile devices, designed to collect periodic feedback on vaccination experience from people who attended the vaccination pathway. And another objective was to assess the satisfaction with the vaccination experience, provide accurate and up-to-date information on national and regional vaccination recommendations, and finally also to assess the access to vaccination information by the use of a standardized questionnaire which investigate the adult health literacy, so in a theme of vaccination. We received a purchase quote from one Florentine Azienda, enterprise, I don't know, for the design of the web application. Now we are providing this purchase to the university administration for approval. In the meantime, we are preparing the documents to be submitted to the university's research ethics committee in order to complete all steps by the end of the year. Other activities are in progress within the ITOP project on contribution, and so I wanted to share this work in progress, both inside the Department of Health Sciences and also with the Mayer Hospital. So our activities are in line with expected results at the end of the second year. Thank you. I want to thank also the project team, which belong to the Department of Health Science from different sections, and the Department of Neuroscience area of Medicine and Child Health. Thank you for your attention.